To create a mail server, we are going to use the SendGrid, so we are going to sign up and create an account. Now we can confirm email. Now we log in the SendGrid. Now we are going to create a single sender, so we click on this. After you create a sender, you will receive an email like this, so you verify the single sender. So now you can go to the email API, and then we have the integration guide. Now we can choose SMTP relay, and then we type learn Nextauth, and then create key. Now you have the client and the secret, so we can copy this. We go to our project and choose this and copy, and go to the env file. And we haven't created our env, so we can create one and .env.local. And then we type email server host is equal to this one. So we copy and paste to here. And the other is the email server port. So we copy and go to our env file. And you can see this is 5x7, so we type 5x7. And then the next part is the email server user. And the email server user is the API key. And then the email server password is equal to this one. And then the last one is the email form. The email form actually is your verified sender that we just created. And you can see this is the one that we already verified, so we can copy this and paste to here and save it. Now after you already add all of these in your env file, you have to restart the server, so we have to type yarn dev again. So now you can see it load the env file. So now we back to here again, and we go to the sign in, and then we click on sign in with email. And you can see we still have this error because we still haven't added the adapter. So now we are going to add the adapter, and you can choose Firebase or MongoDB, and we will demonstrate both of them.